The next Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled to happen on July 26. It's about 3 weeks away from now, and in that event, Samsung will bring out some new upgrades to its existing lineup. Among them, there's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series. Like the predecessor, 3 different versions of the Galaxy Tab S9 will be available. The lineup includes the regular Tab S9, S9 Plus, and S9 Ultra models. Ahead of the launch, Sam Insider has got access to the European pricing details of the upcoming tablet series. They come from a retailer database, meaning the source is credible. Based on information from the Samsung retailer database, the 11-inch Galaxy Tab S9 with 8 gigs and 128 gigs configuration will be priced at €929. The same model with 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage configuration will be priced at €1,049. And the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus with 12 gigs and 256 gigs configuration will retail at €1,149, while the Tab S9 Ultra with 12 gigs and 256 gigs config will go for €1,369. Here, one thing to note is that the Tab S9 series prices are for the Wi-Fi models. The 5G version of the same models will cost higher than this in the EU. Moreover, the prices are VAT included, making it hard to convert them into USD or any other currency, as the VAT will differ in other regions. But even if you consider the EU pricing of the Galaxy Tab S9 series, it's evident that the series saw a price hike. In comparison, the Galaxy Tab S8 series started at €750. However, as per the database information of the retailer, the S9 series will start at €929, which is a reasonable jump. Although there has been an increase in prices for the tablet models of the S9 series, the devices will pack top-of-the-line specs. Just a few days ago, official press renders were unveiled. From there, and another credible source, Ishan Agarwal, we got the key specifications of the models. The entire Tab S9 series will have some similar specs. For example, the screen of all the tablets will be AMOLED, which is a plus point as AMOLED is better than IPS or other panels. In addition, the series will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It is a flagship chipset that offers top-of-the-line performance. The regular version of the series will feature an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2XW/QXGA display. As it is an AMOLED screen, you will be able to enjoy crisp and sharp details from the tablet. The front-facing camera of the regular model is a 12-megapixel sensor, while the back has a single 13-megapixels lens. So the camera configuration of the tablet is good enough for general photography. When it comes to battery, the tablet has an 8400 mAh cell, which should offer you a good enough run time. The Galaxy Tab S9 Plus is the middle-tier version of the entire series. That naturally means that it has slightly better specs than the regular version. To be exact, the main upgrade is the camera configuration, battery, and display. In terms of display, the S9 Plus has a 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, which should offer an immersive viewing experience. Secondly, for the camera configuration, Samsung has packed the same 12-megapixels selfie shooter as the regular tablet, but has 13 and 8 megapixels sensors on the back. This upgrade on the back camera will let the Tab S9 Plus perform a bit better in terms of photography. As for the battery, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus features a 10,090 mAh battery, making it a perfect pick for Android gaming. Now it's turn for the Ultra variant. This is the high-end option of the Tab S9 series, and as you can expect, it comes with high-end specs. One of them is the ability to configure the device to up to 16 gigs of RAM, offering you enough headspace to easily run resource-intensive games and apps. It will make multitasking smoother too. The Ultra also sees an upgrade in terms of display. It is 14.6 inches, the largest one in this series. This large screen will take immersive viewing to the next level. Moreover, you get 2 cameras on the front and 2 cameras on the back. The back configuration is the same as Tab S9 Plus, while the front sees an addition of a 12-megapixel sensor. That makes the S9 Ultra a great pick for point-and-shoot photography. Of course, it will not be as good as a good camera smartphone. Finally, the battery of the Ultra is 11,200 mAh. Again, it is the largest battery of the series. For that reason, you can expect to get a great battery life out of the tablet. You can game for hours and watch on shows and movies without needing to worry about having a phone charger or power bank around. The Galaxy Tab S9 series is looking great so far. Although it is not confirmed, the series is expected to bring faster charging rates too. That will definitely be handy if you plan to use tablets for power-hungry applications. And overall, the devices are worth upgrading if you use an old-gen tablet. The pricing is pretty reasonable for all that you are getting. So, what are your thoughts on pricing of the upcoming Tab S9 lineup from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.